As we head into the holiday season, our wallets are prepared to get a workout.
Yeah, but the strain on finances has been ongoing with inflation. One family seems to have figured out the balancing act.
They tell WRTV's Caitlin Kendall it all starts with communication.
What's your favorite?
I don't know. I like them all.
Step inside Connor Bonice's room. It's a teen boy's hideaway. The 13-year-old has a lot of things he likes, but perhaps at the top of the list,
If you don't save, you're not gonna have money to get what you want.
saving what he earns doing chores. The guitars, all bought from his allowance. Little sis Jocelyn says she's more of a spender.
It goes by quick.
For these siblings, conversations about money are the norm.
The earlier you're introduced financial literacy, the better.
Janita started money talk with her kids about 3 years ago.
They're not thinking money grows on trees because they can pretty much see in their own account that it does not. Just so you can take some money out of your spend and put it on your card.
The Bonisa family approaches money openly. Conversations about saving versus spending.
If you teach them now, you have less to teach them later.
And with the holiday season around the corner, conversations are looking a bit different.
We usually talk about, okay, it's Christmas time. You're going to want to buy presents for everybody. Do you have enough money to do that? You might want to stop buying and start saving.
And they've made tracking their money easy with the help of an app called BusyKid.
The nature of money has completely changed, right? We used to have dollar bills and stuff we'd stick in our pockets and purses. That is no longer.
Greg Merced created BusyKid, the app that allows parents to help their kids budget. Each task has a price tag. Everyone that's completed means money in kids' pockets.
You can go in and select whatever chores it is that they're to do that week, and then at the end of the week, you'll hit pay, and it goes straight to their account. It tracks it all for them.
It does.
Pop the bubble and let them understand this stuff. And it's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is be more transparent.
Transparency has been key for the Bonisas and staying on top of their finances year-round, so they can better manage their money during heavy spending months. Janita says in all, the app saved them about $1,000 a year.
It's just one of those things that it's a must to teach your kids instead of hiding from it.
In Indianapolis,
I need to actually pay you guys.
Caitlin Kendall, WRTV.
Interesting story. Well, the BusyKid app is available on all smartphone devices.
Yeah, Wednesday on the news at 6, Caitlin will compare the cost of Thanksgiving meal staples at local stores to see where you can get the best bang for your buck. So you want to tune in for that.
And one tip we'll give you right now to help save some money, use what's called the 30-day rule. The group NerdWallet says if you see something that catches your eye while shopping, wait 30 days to buy it as long as it's not a necessity. Over the next month, you may forget all about it, the item you saw, or you may not feel like you need it anymore. This is all to help you cut back on impulse buying, which should help you save some money.